Today I will be doing an oil change on this 2005 Honda CR-V 4-cylinder. What you will need is 5W20 oil filter M1-110A, oil filter tool, 1-inch extension, a 3/8 ratchet, and a 17mm socket. Go ahead and open your engine hood, remove the oil fill cap, and then lift up the dipstick for better oil flow when you are draining it. So when you're down in the vehicle, the oil filter is up here. Not sure if you can see it. It's on the white spot right here. Oil filter tool around it. And then this is your drain plug right here. I'm going to remove the oil filter first. When you're loosening it, make sure to be careful. It's going to be hot oil coming down. Make sure you lube your new oil filter with oil and then put it back in. Hand tighten it. Now drain the oil by removing this 17mm drain plug. Once the oil is done draining, go ahead and wipe it and plug it back in. Make sure you use a new gasket. I use a new drain plug gasket because the other one was a little damaged. So just tighten with the ratchet. So this engine takes 4.4 quarts. I'm going to fill it up with 4 quarts first, and then I'm going to check it by running the engine and then turn it off and check the oil. Alright, so I filled up 4 quarts. I'm going to run the engine and I'm going to check it again. Alright, I turned on the engine, I let it run for a couple minutes, and then now I'm going to recheck the oil. So it's right below the low line, so I'm going to refill it some more. It's right, not half mark yet, but it's like 1/4. So I'll give it a little more. It's right over here, about the 3/4 mark. I think I could give this engine the whole 5 quart. There you go, all 5 quarts. Alright, now I'm going to reset the oil maintenance light. Go ahead and put your key in the ignition, but don't turn on the engine, just accessory on. And then you press the odometer button here to trip B. And then you turn off your vehicle. Then turn it back on, accessory on only, while holding this button right here. And you'll see the maintenance required light flash, and then it's gonna reset itself. There you go. And then you turn on your engine, and the light went away.